base now, thank you.
So 500 feet, 70 knots. Carby comes up.
Carby comes up.
Always in the downwind, the first thing, carby comes up.
Okay.
Keep your 70 knots here. Okay, tower expects us to fly a little bit faster here. So we keep 500 feet, 70 knots in the downwind. Gauge check.
The warning line is top of screen, 1, 2, 3 in the green, arm center, 1.5 here, and carby 10% yellow check. Clear right, clear left.
Okay, look outside so that we see our pitch attitude.
Okay.
So here we want to go still descent here, good. Clear right, clear left.
344, extend downwind.
So here we look outside, we keep the 60 knots, good. Okay, so now we roll out 300 feet. Okay, so here raise collective. Now fast walking pace feeling, carby comes down. Okay, keep your 300 feet here. Okay? And tell me when you think we have the steep approach angle.
Okay.
Now, exactly. So after cycling, slow down here.
Okay.
And now, so here, once you have it, slow down to your fast walk, your slow walking pace feeling. Now watch at your VSI. Okay. VSI not more than 300 feet, a little bit more left cyclic. Okay. Be aligned with the pad here. So here we want to descend. So keep your 300 feet per minute descent rate.
Okay.
Slow walking pace feeling, keeps the nose straight with the pedals, a little bit more left, and keeps the pad 4 inside. Okay. So here we want to be aligned with the pad, keep a little bit more forward pressure. Okay. We want to have a little, keeps us that we have our, that we have this still slow forward movement.
26 right, line up and wait, 460 Bravo.
Raise collective, left pedal, forward.
470 Romeo Bravo, over the blimp with information X-ray 26 right.
November 470 Romeo Bravo, Long Beach Tower, enter right downwind runway 26 right.
Right downwind 26 right, 470 Romeo Bravo.
Request late work.
Long Beach Tower, helicopter 426, pad 4 over, cancel lane knock.
Helicopter 426, lane work on pad 4 approved.
Lane knock approved to helicopter 426.
Cessna
A little bit hover taxi forward.
Okay, hover taxi forward.
So we gonna approximate. We're not getting too close to the runway. Clear right, clear left. Left pedal turn.
Continue 344.
Clear right.
November 31 Bravo, left at the river is approved. Runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff.
I have controls.
Bravo.
You have control.
I have controls. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate the first one here.
Okay.
So here we're gonna do a gauge check. No warning lights, top of the green, 1, 2, 3 in the green, amps are centered, 1/4 full, less than half full, carpet is out of the yellow. Okay, so here with the pedals we keep the nose straight. We give a little bit forward cyclic. We can raise a little bit more for our 5-minute takeoff power. Okay, we're gonna climb out here for our tailwheel clearance.
Turn base now.
Okay, so now forward cycling. To speed up to 40 knots. Keep the nose straight with the pedals here. Okay, so 40 knots. Quick stop 1, 2, 3. Arm cyclic, lower collective, right pedal. To recover, raise collective, forward cycling, and with the pedals, here we need a little bit more left pedal. Slowly walking down with a steep approach. So we constantly have this slowly forward cycling, forward movement, like what we do in a steep approach.
Okay.
Okay? Get ready.
Yes, sir. Get on the control.
You have controls?
I have control.
You have controls. Let's get a little bit more forward.
Okay.
Okay, so when we enter, quick stop, 1, 2, 3. Aft cyclic, lower collective, little bit right pedal.
Okay.
To keep the nose straight. Clear right, clear left. Left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
Align with the pad, clear right, clear left. Okay, let's get a little bit lower.
Romeo Bravo, I will call your
Okay.
base.
Gauge check.
Base 0
So
Romeo
warning
Bravo.
lights, top of screen, 1, 2, 3 in the green, arm center, and 1/4 for and half here, and car vita up to center yellow check.
Okay, so here, raise collective to your 23.5 inches.
Okay.
And a little bit forward cyclic. So here we're going to hold it. With every knot of forward airspeed, we get more efficient.
Okay.
Okay, we want to climb out to our tailbone clearance. So now speed up with the left pedal, keeps the nose straight. We speed up to 40 knots. Okay? 40 knots, a little bit aft cyclic to level off. Quick stop, 1, 2, 3. Aft cyclic, lower collective, right pedals. To recover here, forward, left, and raise collective. Okay? And now slowly with forward, with a little bit more forward cyclic,
Okay.
slowly walk it down. We are turning a little bit more left pedal. Good. Okay? Inputs are good. A little bit more forward here.
Okay.
Okay. We just have to stay a specific distance away from runway 30. Okay. Clear right, clear left, left pedal down.
Left pedal time.
Bonanza 5055 Bravo, Long Beach Tower, standby for landing traffic, same direction.
Clear right, clear left.
For landing traffic, request 91605 departure going eastbound.
November 55 Bravo, Roger, standby. It's going to be a few minutes. I got 3 on time.
No problem.
So warning lights, top of screen, 1, 2, 3 in the green, arm
187
center,
Echo Romeo.
1/4 for and half here, and car vita up to center yellow.
Down with departure to Fullerton.
So raise collective to your 5-minute takeoff bar, a little bit forward cyclic, a little bit more left pedal to keep the nose straight.
Okay.
Okay, a little bit more. Yep, good. Okay. So now we have our tailbone clearance. We're going to speed up to 40 knots.
Okay.
So now level off, quick stop, 1, 2, 3. Aft cyclic, lower collective, right pedal. Okay, now to recover, forward cyclic, raise collective, and with the pedals keeps the nose straight.
Okay.
Slowly walk it down.
Okay.
November 0 Romeo
Clear
Bravo.
right, clear left.
Turn base up
Left
at
pedal down.
605 freeway and continue. Traffic will be holding in position.
605 base 0 Romeo Bravo.
November 31 Bravo, frequency change approved. Yep.
Frequency change approved. See you, 3 Bravo.
Okay.
Okay. Gauge check.
Yep, gauge check.
So warning lights, top of screen, 1, 2, 3 in the green, arm center, 1/4 for and less than half here, and car vita up to center yellow check.
Approved as requested, pad 3. Clear for takeoff.
Roger, clear for takeoff.
5-minute takeoff power.
5-minute takeoff power.
So now we see how we're climbing out. A little bit more left pedal here. Keep the nose straight. Forward cyclic, so we get to our 40 knots.
Okay. 40 knots.
So a little
November
bit aft.
344, turn
So
cross and
quick
extend
stop,
down.
1, 2, 3. Aft cyclic, lower collective, right pedal. Okay, to recover, forward, raise. With the pedals, keeps the nose straight. Slowly walk it down. Keeps this forward pressure. Keep a little bit more forward, so that we have this slow forward movement. Clear right, clear left. Left pedal turn.
Left pedal turn.
Let's do two more. One in this direction, one in that direction. And then I'm going to show you a hover out rotation, and then we go back.
Okay.
November 55 Bravo, traffic on a 3-mile final, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
Gauge
Check.
check.
Runway 26
So warning lights, top of screen, 1, 2, 3 in the green, arm center, 1/4 for and less than half here, and car vita up to center yellow check.
6, continue downwind and
So raise collective to your 5-minute takeoff power. A little bit forward cycling.
Swing 2 Alpha November, turn crosswind, follow traffic off
A
your
little
right,
bit more
extend
left
downwind.
pedal, keeps the nose straight. More forward.
Traffic upwind and we'll extend downwind 2 Alpha November.
Now we're going to speed up to 40
0
knots.
Romeo Bravo, make 1 right 360 for traffic.
Roger, 470
Level off
Romeo
here.
Bravo.
Quick stop, 1, 2, 3.
1 foot
Half
back,
cyclic, lower
follow
collective,
the
right
swing and
pedal.
the crosswind
Okay, to recover,
keep your
forward,
cross and close
raise
behind them
collective,
at
and
traffic,
slowly,
and then,
here with
continue
the
downwind.
pedals, keeps the nose straight.
Extend downwind, we'll go back. November 55 Bravo, traffic upwinds remaining in the pattern, keep them in sight for your right downwind, runway 26 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 26 right,
Clear
clear for
right,
takeoff,
clear
traffic
left.
side 55.
Left pedal turn.
Helicopter 156, disregard the hold, pad 3, clear to land, traffic will be in position on runway 30.
Clear right, clear left.
Southwest 3851 Long Beach Tower, runway 30, line up and wait, traffic crossing downfield and departing runway 26 right.
30, line up and wait, Southwest 3851.
The warning lights top of screen 1 to 3,
November
the
0
green arm
Romeo
central,
Bravo, thank
1
you for
quarter
that,
friend,
runway
less than
26
half, and
right,
car breeze out
clear
to
to
set
the
everything.
option, right close
Okay.
traffic approved.
Okay.
26 right,
So,
clear for
5-minute takeoff
470
power.
Romeo Bravo, it's going
A
to be
little bit forward cyclic here.
Okay.
Okay, let me start our forward movement with the pedals, keeps the nose straight.
Morning, Wesley, Ethan.
Morning, buddy.
Morning, tower,
Okay, so now forward cyclic.
X-ray, in sequence 26 right downwind.
Say again?
920 X-ray is in
A
sequence
little bit off cyclic to level off. Quick stop, 1, 2, 3. Off cyclic, lower collective, right pedals. And now to
Helicopter 156
forward,
instructions is hold
raise,
east at runway 30.
and now slowly walking down. Keep, here we need a little bit more forward pressure. We really want to have this, what we do right now is a slow walking pace forward.
Okay.
Yeah, so we come to a hover here.
Come to hover.
Clear left, clear right. Okay, left pedal turn. We go back to number 4.
51, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
30, clear for takeoff, Southwest 3851.
Back to number 4.
I'll get a little bit higher because we see that 4 is a little bit elevated here. When you approach us, be a little bit higher. Clear left, clear right.
Helicopter 156, thank you, pad 3, cleared to land, traffic's on final for runway 26 left and runway 26 right.
Okay, and now just hover here, okay? So for a hover rotation, we do it about 1 foot over the ground at the beginning. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to give ourselves like an engine failure again. So we're going to roll down the throttle. When we roll down the throttle, we have to press right pedal. Then we have to pause for a second to allow the aircraft to settle. And then we raise collective to cushion the landing. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate this first. We always want to do this with a headwind. Looks like we have a headwind from here, or it seems like it feels pretty stable. I have controls.
Are you have control?
I have controls.
Southwest 3851, contact hotel departure before.
Departure Southwest 3851, Aloha.
So we're going to look outside. Going to try to be stable here. Okay, same thing. We always do everything with a stable attitude. And then we're going to count down. Hover our rotation. 3, 2, 1. Roll of throttle, rise, and then raise collective to cushion the landing. Okay. So now pedals neutral, collective full down. So here this is what, when we have an engine failure, everything happens within 2 seconds.
Okay.
Pedals neutral, gonna increase RPMs again. And one more time. Here we actually turned a little bit to the left. This shows me I actually should have pressed a little bit more right pedal.
Okay.
So warning lights, there was a green, 1, 2, 3.
November 0 Romeo Bravo, 10 left, Kilo 3, contact
Gonna pick us up again.
Ground 470 Romeo Bravo.
November 2 Alpha November, turn base if you haven't already.
Turning base, 2 Alpha November.
So here again, we're gonna set up everything. No warning lights, there was a green, 1, 2, 3. Centered, 1/4 full, half full. Or 1/4 full, covered is out of the yellow. Okay, so we're gonna look outside again.
26 right, clear for takeoff.
Have out rotation, 3, 2, 1. Roll of throttle, and now raise collective to cushion the landing.
Okay.
You see we barely moved here.
Yep.
This is pedals neutral again. You see I said you move a little bit is normal. Okay? But we don't want to turn like 90 degrees because then we didn't press right pedal at all. Okay, then we had to pause, and when we raise collective to cushion the landing, that we have this, that we don't have a hard set down.
Okay.
You have controls?
I have control.
You have controls. Okay, we're gonna pedals are neutral. We're gonna increase the RPMs here. Back to 80. Governor will take over.
Governor takes on.
Okay. Take us up.
Okay.
Gonna check runway 30.
Okay.
Do you see any traffic?
Nope.
Same, I don't see any traffic, so we request landing at Maverick.
Okay.
Long Beach Tower, helicopter 74.26 at pass 4. Request landing at Maverick.
Helicopter 426, pad 4, clear for takeoff.
Pad 4 clear for takeoff, helicopter 426.
Clear left, clear right. Normal takeoff here.
Okay. Normal takeoff.
November 11 Quebec traffic landing runway 30 will hold short of the intersection for you, Cessna.
So here, this was transverse flow by our nose came back. Here you have to give a little bit more forward cycling until we have the 40 knots. Okay, and then we start our climb out.
Oh.
Usually this is something where we have like from wake turbulence. Didn't see anyone taking off, so sometimes you just have a
landing at Maverick will be at your own risk, wind calm.
Landing Maverick will be at my own risk, helicopter 426.
Number 11 Quebec slowest practical speed, Estrin if you need it. Traffic you're following is less than a mile ahead of you, indicating 60 knots.
Phone down, 1 Quebec. Beach Tower.
So here we want to climb to 500 feet, because we know every time we cross the runway we have to be at 500.
Your release now, I'm waiting on a Cessna short final. November 7 Echo Romeo, frequency change approved.
Change approved, 7 Echo.
Make sure we are at 500 feet here.
Okay.
So always make sure you are really over 500 before you cross the runway.
Okay.
Clear left, clear right.
November 344, turn crosswind, extend downwind. Turn crosswind, extend downwind, 344.
As soon as we are cross the runway, slow down to 60 knots, collective down. Okay, so we slowed down a little bit earlier, so we actually started to climb. So collective down here, we want to descend, because once we roll out around tower, we want to have 300 feet, 60 knots, and then normal approach with fast walking pace feeling to Maverick.
Okay.
November 9er Tango Delta traffic, landing runway 26 left, and runway 26 right, runway 30 line of wait.
Line up away 30, 179 Tango Delta.
November 26 runway 26 right, line up and wait, traffic in position, runway 30, traffic on
Right, clear left.
Right, T-structure.
Okay, now normal approach to Maverick.
Okay.
Are we high or low?
November 2 Alpha November, if able, turn cross the
Yeah, actually a tiny bit low. How becomes full down here. Okay. Don't go lower now, because we still have a longer distance to go. Okay. Keep this angle for now.
November 11 Quebec, extend
And this
upwind.
fast walking pace feeling.
Okay.
Okay, now we are getting closer, so now we slowly start our descent again.
Okay.
Keep this forward pressure.
Forward pressure.
Because your goal is always, you always want to land in front. So never here, closer, or always in front of Maverick.
Runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff 30, 179 Tango Delta.
So we are a little low here, start racing collective a little bit.
Okay.
Keep your forward pressure, keep your forward. You don't want to come to a hover here. We always get in trouble when we land in front of the Long Beach Flying Club. So always here in front of Maverick. So we were a little bit low at the end. Okay, so we see the airplane here, we come to a hover here. Okay, always the same spot if nobody is here. Here left, here right, right pedal turn. Okay, make sure nobody's on our right side. Hover taxi forward, we do the set down here.
Okay.
So with the pedals, the nose straight.
November 2 CRX Ray, you can have an early right turn out if you'd like. There's a Cessna mile west of descending there upwind of the pattern.
Left pedal.
Way 26 right, clear for takeoff, right down.
Clear right, clear left.
November 344, turn base runway 26 right, clear for the option. Turn base, clear for the option, 26 right, 344. Eclipse at 9er Tango Delta. You're less than a mile, the Cessna remaining in the pattern at 1,000.
Tango Delta.
November 11 Quebec, turn crosswind now, extend downwind, traffic off your right, eclipse at climbing out of 1,300.
Okay, forward down, the right pedals. Back to neutral. Cancel return,
November 9
70 to 75.
you're above them, no factor contact, SoCal departure, we'll see it.
Go to SoCal.
November 2 Alpha November, follow traffic on right base, runway 26 right.
Collective pressure on.
Traffic inside and clear for the option 26 right, 2 Alpha November.
Okay, what's the next thing? One thing we have to do?
Oh, timer.
Timer,
Okay.
exactly.
30 anytime.
look at your RPMs.
Okay.
So just keep it out of the yellow. What happens when we keep the RPM in the yellow? How do we call that?
Okay, sympathetic resonance.
Sympathetic resonance. Okay, and so this is not good for us because then we have this imbalance between the main rotor and tail rotors in different vibrations here.
Okay.
This could damage our tail boom and drive shaft.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have our 3-minute timer. Now we have time for the checklist. So it's always these three things at the same time. First, low collective, pull down, RPM friction on, RPM first set down, RPM 70 to 75,
Okay.
and then friction on. Cyclic pedals neutral, friction on, and then we start our timer.
Okay.
Good job today.
Thank you.
Especially with the autorotations, VRS recovery really nice. Yeah? And also with the entry with the autorotation, you did all the correct inputs right from the start. So from the first try, we already talked about it. First try was just too fast, but this is exactly what you need in a real engine failure.
Okay.
And the other ones, the entry really nice. Okay, lower collective, right pedal. Maybe what we focus on the next time, a little tiny bit more aft cyclic because our airspeed were always like 7, you are just above, so a little bit fast.
Okay.
So this is just an indication when we enter the rotation, our nose is down a little bit, so we just have to give a little bit more aft cyclic.
Okay.
Not much, just tiny bit. Yeah? But you saw, especially with the last one, when we keep our airspeed, RPMs are stable. Okay? If we keep steady our 65 knots, your RPMs will not move a lot.
Okay.
Then we don't have to do we basically don't have to do anything. If everything is stable, just hold it. Yeah?
November 51 Bravo traffic's on downwind, runway 26 right, line up and wait.
Runway 26 right, 51 Bravo.
Okay, we have our CHT drop, so we can close the throttle after 3 minutes.
Okay.
Cessna 11 Quebec turn base now for traffic, continue traffic holding in the position. Turning base now, we'll Quebec.
Tower helicopter 156 at pad 3 requesting left, close traffic.
Helicopter 156
Okay, 3
approved as
minutes.
requested, pad 3 clear for
Throttle
takeoff,
closed.
hold west of runway 30.
Okay, clutch disengage.
Let's disengage.
Okay, so 30 seconds, now until 340,
Okay.
then mixture on.
November 51 Bravo straight out to first is approved, runway 26 straight, clear for
Because
takeoff.
the 30 seconds are always, once you disengage the clutch, from the moment you disengage the clutch, 30 seconds.
Okay.
26 right, clear for the option, we'll Quebec. November 344, extend downwind. Extend downwind, 344.
Seconds.
Down.
November 802 Sierra Charlie.
Mixture left. And 30 seconds.
The neutral spot where we have the vibration.
Helicopter 156, cost for a balloon reported upwind runway 26 left.
They're looking for balloon helicopter 156. Tower 1 Quebec, can we do an S-turn just for training purposes?
November 11 Quebec, unable, sorry, of traffic landing runway 30, Boeing 737.
What's the break?
November 2 Alpha November, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 2 Alpha November.
Helicopter 156, traffic 1 mile final runway 30, Boeing 737, report in sight.
Roger, traffic in sight, helicopter 156.
Helicopter 156, pass behind that Boeing and then hold east of runway 30.
Roger, go behind Boeing, hold east of runway 30, helicopter 156.
November 51 Bravo, continue climbing at or above 1,500. Traffic off your right and a miles helicopter southbound at 800.
Once the rotor blades are stopped, make sure clutch light is out. Then you know, just avionics off and then everything left to right off.
Okay. 605, continue, 344. November 11 Quebec, extend upwind. Extend upwind, 11 Quebec. November 2 Alpha Foxtrot, descent is approved. In the future, I need you to cross the airport directly mid-field, not the departure end of the parallel, so mid-field. And you can start your descent now and enter the right downwind runway 26 right. I will call your base.
Send pattern altitude, and I'll do that. Sorry about that, telephone shot.
November 51 Bravo, frequency change approved, traffic snow factor.
Change approved, 51 Bravo.
November
That's all right.
344 base 605, runway 26 right, cleared for the option number 1. Base 605.
Right, still right. Alternator,